Here we go again. Oh my god. Should I call 911? Last time I called, someone already called. Oh, yeah. Never mind. I don't have to call. So I think I'm finally moving. I will not miss this at all. Hi, baby. Guys, so I'm at home. It's hella messy. I'm low-key. I'm not packing yet, but I'm just like going through everything and seeing what I can throw away, stuff I want to keep, trash, sell, whatever. On Tuesday, I got an email from the property manager of one of the apartments that I went to go view in April, and pretty much I think I got it. Like, I just have to sign the lease and get the keys, so hopefully all goes well. She said the move-in date was going to be July 1st, but she said that I could move in the 26th of this month, so I don't know, something, I still like can't believe I'm moving. Like, I feel like it hasn't hit yet. I don't know, we'll see. Like, please don't mind the mess, but I'm cleaning right now. Well, I'm not really cleaning, but I'm going through everything. Like, I went through this and I trashed a whole bunch of stuff, and I just kept what was like good still, stuff that I'm willing to bring into the new apartment, you know? So yeah, I'm just like kind of emptying stuff out. I always thought this was a weird drawer because I don't know what to put in this. It's too skinny. I still have some more stuff in here to throw away. But yeah, please don't mind the mess. But this is my apartment. I'm trashing stuff. That's all kitchen stuff. I have to pack up all this. I live in a studio, by the way, and I'm by myself, so this is just perfect. My closet, my living area is hella messy. Please don't judge me. Oh my god, please don't judge me. I'm in the process of cleaning right now, so please bear with me. But I can't wait to get up out of here, man. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love K-Town, but this isn't really K-Town. This is like Westlake. It's too hood here for me. Way too hood here for me. I'm trying to get the fuck out. You guys, I'm at work. Look at what I just got. I just got some boxes. I'm gonna start packing today, guys. What's up, guys? So I guess I'm officially moving. Yes! I'm so freaking happy, dude. Like, I'm so freaking happy. So my security deposit, baby, my security deposit is paid. I signed the lease. We're moving, baby. We're moving, baby. So yeah, I just got some boxes. I only got 6 because my dad said that he had some boxes for me. But I still got some, knowing that I'm going to need them. So I'm gonna start packing right now, bro. I'm hella excited to get up out of here. You're so cute, my baby. Okay, so first box is made. Honestly, I'm gonna start packing up the kitchen first, because I'm not gonna lie, I don't even be cooking ever since COVID. Okay, so the first box is all packed up. I emptied out this one. I just have to clean them. This one's empty. Well, baby. And this one's all clean. I mean, I just have to like clean it. This thing is for the light up there. I just can't put it back on because I have the colorful light and it doesn't fit. So yeah. So I'm gonna have to buy some light bulbs and put them there because I'm gonna keep those. Those things connect to Bluetooth and it plays music. Like, what? Okay, guys, it's like way later. Obviously, it's like dark. But my kitchen is pretty much all cleaned out. I have one bag all the way up there. These are all cleaned out. This one I can't clean out yet because it has all my pets' food in it. Here, hold on, let me turn the flash on. Yeah, down here I still have like my pets' food and stuff. I need to wipe those down. These are all wiped down, so it looks nice. Nice. And nice. Oh yeah, these two. I'm waiting to do this because that's all my cleaning stuff and I still need to clean. I did my dishes and I have to pack those when they're all dried. But yeah, kitchen's kind of packed up. I had like a whole bunch of Henny bottles and Patron bottles right there. I had to throw them all away. I had like a whole line of Modelo caps, like from the glass bottles. I had a whole line of them right there. And I took down all my paintings. Yeah. Let's see. And then I also packed a lot in here. All my car stuff is gone. My flag is gone. Paintings gone. Skateboards I took down. Flags I took down. All my shoes I packed. Oh, and all my bags that were hanging up here too. Hey, D. Ew, your mouth is wet. You just drank water. But yeah, I packed a whole bunch of stuff. My paintings. Yeah. I'm ready to go. I'm back. I haven't filmed in a couple days. Hi, baby. I haven't filmed in a couple days. Today is the 15th of June. I have 10 days until move-in day, guys. I can't believe it. Like, it just feels so surreal. I can't wait to get out of here. Like, you guys don't understand. I've been meaning to move out of here, like, for a long time. Probably ever since I had the Miata. Because when I had the Miata and I first moved here, that's like when everything started happening to my car. People started vandalizing it. My soft top got cut twice. So yeah, this area sucks. Everything from like stalkers, crackheads, fires, I don't know. This area is not for me and I'm ready to get the fuck out. So I have packed some more. I think I'm pretty much done with packing for now. The rest of the packing I'm going to do is like all the last minute stuff, like my clothes, bathroom stuff. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Everything else is already packed. Baby. But yeah, I have this one I'm waiting to fill up. These are all full and packed. I'm waiting to pack these. I don't want to pack that yet. This one's already full and packed. I just have to do my closet. Oh, you guys, I got some bean bags for the new apartment and she freaking loves them. She freaking loves them, dude. And they're way bigger than I expected. I didn't think that they would be this big. Everything's packed. I have to trash this. I'm not taking my SC exhaust. I'm just too lazy to carry it downstairs. But yeah, look, everything's packed, guys. I'm ready to get the fuck out. I'm ready. This I'm not closing up yet because that's like all my pet stuff. They still need that. But yeah, I'm pretty much ready, guys. I'm ready to get out. I'm ready to leave. Are you ready to leave? So, I talked to the property manager today and my move-in day is supposed to be the 26th of this month, but I'm going to pick up the keys on the 25th, Friday. So that's pretty much perfect. But yeah, 10 days until the move-in day. So I'll probably be seeing you guys then because there's nothing really else for me to film. So yeah. Dude, if these fucking boxes fly away.